Have you ever had a hanging basket that looks like this? It's really drooping. Well, there's a right way and a wrong way to bring this back to life. So the first thing that we want to do is confirm that it is drooping because it's way too dry. And I can feel that it's really, really light. I can stick my finger into that soil and just check and make sure, and yep, it's really, really dry. So it's drooping because it doesn't have the proper moisture in the soil. So the right way is we're going to just nurse it back. And we call the wrong way, we call that a knee-jerk reaction. So people panic, they see this, and then they dump gallons of water. And so we go from being extremely dry to the other extreme of extremely wet, and we don't want to do that. You'll kill it that way also. So we're just going to nurse this back. We're just going to give it a little drink because that's all it can handle right now. That was it. That was just a little bit of water. It gets the soil moist, and it's going to take some time for that to even be able to draw into the soil because it's so dry, and the soil can be really, really hard. So we need to just get it wet, and you can see that was just a little bit of water. I'm going to come back in about 30 minutes, maybe an hour, and then I'm going to properly water this so that the soil is moist all the way through. It's not pouring out the bottom. That's too much again, but just so that is adequately moist all the way through, and that's how we nurse it back to health. So that's just a quick tip if you have a hanging basket that's way too dry.